that gaping hole there. We're going to fill that in with some plexiglass because, you know, budget build plus work car. Temporarily fixed. I had to just screw it on for now because we got rain coming and it'll keep the water from getting inside the car. But later on I am going to paint this all black through here, paint it all black, and then put a headlight window tint paint on it, and it'll be a good enough temporary fix for me. There's the window. We're going to see if it fits right, or we might have to trim it a little more. Not a bad fit. Need to trim a little more off of this part right here. So when I traced this out, it was a full sheet, so couldn't get 100% accuracy on it. So I just got to trim that little bit right there off.